Might regret this. Let's see. A little bit of greed kicking in here. I already hit the target. So could be out of these trades and be good to go for morning session. Hope my greed isn't going to hurt me here. This might have been a big mistake. Just a reminder, nothing in this video is trading advice or signals or anything like that. If it sounds like I'm talking to you or giving you advice, I'm not. I'm just talking to myself, and you're getting to watch this video and listen in. All right, let's get on to today's video. All right, here we are, Sunday night, March 16th. I'm pretty excited to trade tonight. This should be an awesome week. Hoping to be able to pass at least my 50K combines this week and maybe the 150K. So my 150K combine right here up top, you can see I'm positive $878. So that's nicely green. I did that at the end of the day Friday. I had a really sweet setup that took place. It was almost perfect, but I couldn't trade it in my XFA because I didn't have, it didn't fit my probabilities I was looking for this XFA. I tried to trade it in all four of my combines. Unfortunately, I didn't change my risk settings for these other combines. So when it retraced a little bit, I automatically hit my daily max loss on that, and it locked me out for the day, which was a bummer because then right away it went to the target. It was a nice profit there. I think I might even have that trade in here. Let's see if it shows. No, it's not showing. If I put the 150K on here, yeah, there we go. So right here I got short and rode it all the way down to here. It's an awesome trade. Looking for it to retest back to the bottom area of this, and sure enough it did. So yeah, it was a nice trade to hit it from here when it broke this area and took that ride all the way down. I was just bummed out that I wasn't able to do it in my other ones because, like I said, I didn't change my risk parameters. It retraced and I just barely got stopped out and locked out for the day. But anyway, so that one's up green. My other 50Ks are quite red, very, very red actually. So not in a great spot there. I got about $1,000, not even, and then I'll blow those out. Same thing with my express funded account. So hopefully this week I get some winners right out of the gate like tonight and be back on the green. I just need 1 or 2 green days in a row and these accounts will be so far ahead that I won't have to worry about them. I just got to get there. Last week I skipped a bunch of winners to trade the losers, and that's where I'm at now. All right, market opens here in a few minutes. Let's see what happens.
Order
All right,
filled.
we're in. Let's see what happens. There's target. Let me fix it on the 150K, make sure it's right. Whoa. All right, so if it hits there with the 150K, I'll just be out. And I'll try to watch the combine copy traded and see if I have a chance to squeeze a little more out. So Thursday night's trade was a loser. So hopefully tonight will be a winner. Also give me a nice little buffer going into the morning session. I was really hoping for a short trade setup in gold, so maybe this long trade will be a good thing because I'm wanting it to go down. Does got to get over this resistance area. You can clearly see here. Just thinking about it. Volume's just below average, so plenty of room for buyers to come in and rip it higher. All right, got a little doji in there. Maybe gold needs to consolidate more before deciding to go higher. Hopefully it's not forming a range here that's going to range for a while. I'll probably get tagged out if it wants to test the bottom of that range. It doesn't look like I'm copy trading these other things though. Why am I not in these trades? Copy trading? They're selected. They never got in though. So it looks like I never entered this trade with my other accounts, unfortunately. So I'm just in with my XFA and my 150K. Oh, that's too bad. Skipping the winners to take the losers, traders. Skipping the winners to take the losers. Man, what happened there? Here we go. I'm going to switch over here real quick. I'm going to try to do something here. I might regret this. I'm going to try to squeeze a little more out of my XFA and then pop over to the 150K. All right, now I'm going to go XFA, lock this in. Might regret this. Let's see. A little bit of greed kicking in here. I already hit the target. So could be out of these trades and be Good to go for morning session. Hope my greed isn't going to hurt me here. How much time we got left? 18 seconds left on this candle. 2.5 minutes before the next 5-minute candle opens. Come on. Hope my greed doesn't get me. Let's go. One more big candle. Volume is starting to pick up here in gold. So I kind of want to be a little patient on here and see if we could squeeze some more out as this volume picks up. And it's not insanely huge volume. It's just above average. This might have been a big mistake. Alright, I'll lock that in. If it wants to go back down, then I'll take it off. Where's my 150K? I'd like to lock in at least 200 on the day. Tempted to just focus on getting my 200-day, 5 days, so I can qualify for a payout. But I'm just going to trade the deal, and whatever happens, happens. Come on. Here we go. Can lock in 220. New 5-minute candle just opened about a minute ago.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade. So out of all those trades, so the evening session here, I'll lock in $156 in XFA, and I will lock in $470 in the 150K. And unfortunately, the copy trader did not copy trade my other accounts. So again, skipping the winners to take the losers. Pretty disappointed, but it is what it is. All right, traders, see you in the morning session. All right, good morning, March 17th, the morning session. So last night I had I was a little bummed that those other 50K combines, I didn't get to trade them because my copy trader, for whatever reason, didn't do it. Then I saw an awesome setup take place, and I was like, you know what? I don't have a proven statistical probability. It's not a statistical trade. It's a discretionary trade that I've seen play out well many times over. So I decided to take it in the combines. And I hit enter into the trade, and I wasn't in my combine. I was in my XFA. So as soon as I realized I was in my XFA, I bounced out because it wasn't a statistical trade, and I only want to trade statistics in XFAs. So, but because I bounced out, I ended up putting another $50 on that XFA. So now the XFA is up to $203 in the day. And then I was able to jump into another trade like that with my combines and make $207 on the combine to bring them up to speed for this morning session. So now everything's up to the $200 range, jumping into the morning, just waiting for a trade to set up. All right, we'll see what happens today. Okay, might have a setup here in gold to the long side. See if it's going to trigger. It's pretty much bouncing off the bottom of a 30-minute channel right now. Not channel, but trend line. I'll show you real quick. Right in there. It's pretty much bouncing off that 30-minute trend line. It's kind of a big flag up, right? Gold boosted all the way up, then it's kind of just been consolidating right in here. Bouncy. So looking for a long trade right now. Hopefully it'll run back towards the top of this. But we shall see. Going back to the 1-minute candle. Gonna see once I get in if I can add to my 150K. We'll see here. I don't know how that happens when you're copy trading. If I can go and add to it, what will happen? I wonder. We're gonna find out. Alright, gold, let's do it.
Order filled.
Okay, in the trade. I don't like that my stop's inside this candle, but that's how it is. Got my target. Alright, let's go to my 150K. See what happens here. So in the 150K, oh, I can't add to it. Alright. I just hate my stops inside a retracement zone. Should move it to the bottom of this. At least for now. Actually, it would be right here. And then let this do retracement if that's what it wants to do. And then I'll move my stop back up there. See? I would be stopped out right now. So if I wanted to add to my 150K, I guess I could uncopy it by going to the copy trade spot here. Deselect it. And then I could probably add to my position over there. But I don't want to complicate things for me today, so I'm just going to leave it. Alright, so technically this is a losing trade for the strategy because it tagged that stop. So anything I make right now is bonus money. Even if I took this trade off for 20 bucks, it would be a good trade. So I'm going to start trailing a stop here pretty soon. I feel like gold's definitely got a lot of room to go up, that's for sure. But I'll start trailing a stop right away, and then this will go in the books as a losing trade, even though I won't have a loser on it, so that's great for my numbers. If it can get into a little bit of a profit area, like somewhere up in this top area here. Got a lot of resistance right through here. Up at the top.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. So out of that trade, I'll take that little extra bonus money because this is a dead trade for my strategy. Discretionary wise, gold looks awesome for the upside right now, especially once it breaks out here. I feel like gold's got a lot of legs, but my strategy is done. So that's going to do it for today. I don't get my bonus trade. I have to have a winning trade this trade to get my bonus trade in. So no bonus trade today. But you know what? Today should have been a red day, and it's going to be a green day. So that's awesome when I can skew things in my favor from these statistics. And yeah, gold just looks so awesome to the long side right now. I feel like I want to jump in so bad right now. So that'll bring my my XFA to negative $128. It's better than it was yesterday. And this one combine is now back above 50,000, so that's pretty good. And then these other two combines, you know, still negative on those. And my 150K is at positive $1,435. So on the way to getting past there. Another, just got like $7,500 more to go before that thing can get past. But at least it's on its way. This is Express Funded account, you know, not looking great. Average winner is smaller than average loser. That's because I bounced out of some trades a little early and skewed that. So that's doesn't look as good as it used to. Still not too bad considering I jumped out a bunch of trades a little bit early, or a few trades a little bit early. We're looking at within the last month right now. So you can see the chart was off to a good start, and then it fell apart. But you know, losing is part of winning. So now we're on the losing streak. Now let's get back on the win streak. So there's the stats. There's the calendar. A lot of red days in there. And the trades. Full transparency, traders. Keeping it real. Want you to be able to keep up to date with what's going on with my account. And mostly just focusing on showing you the Express Funded account, the one that matters, and not so much the combines. Although these combines have just kind of been chugging along. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.